Error detection and correction of the data link layer. Data link layer. Data link layer is second layer of OSI layered model. This layer is one of the most complicated layers and has complex functionalities and liabilities. Data link layer hides the details of underlying hardware and represents itself to upper layer as a medium to communicate. Data link layer works between two hosts which are directly connected in some sense. This direct connection could be point-to-point broadcast. Systems on broadcast network are said to be on same link. The work of a data link layer tends to get more complex when it is dealing with multiple hosts on single collision domain. Data link layer is responsible for converting data stream to signals bit by bit and to send that over the underlying hardware. At the receiving end, data link layer picks up the data from hardware which are in the form of electrical signals, assembles them in a recognizable frame format, and hands over to upper layer. Data link layer has two sublayers. Logical link control. It deals with protocols, flow control, and error control. And the other one, media access control. It deals with actual control of media. The data link layer is responsible for converting data stream to signals, and the functionality of data link layer does many tasks on behalf of upper layer. These are framing, addressing, synchronization, error control, flow control, multi-access, etc. Framing. Data link layer takes packets from network layer and encapsulates them into frames. Then it sends each frame bit by bit on the hardware. At receiver end, data link layer picks up signals from hardware and assembles them into frames. Error control. Sometimes signals may have encountered problems in transition and the bits are flipped. These errors are detected and attempted to recover actual bits. It also provides error reporting mechanism to the sender. Types of errors. There are many reasons such as noise, crosstalk, etc., which may help data to get corrupted during transmission. The upper layers work on some generalized view of the network architecture and are not aware of actual hardware data processing. Hence, the upper layers expect error-free transmission between the systems. Most of the applications would not function expectedly if they receive enormous data with errors. Applications such as voice and video may not be that affected, and with some errors they may still function well. Data link layer uses some error control mechanism to ensure that frames are transmitted with certain level of accuracy. But to understand how errors is controlled, it is essential to know what types of errors may occur. There are mainly three types of errors. They are single bit error, multiple bit error, and burst error. In a single bit error, in a frame, there is only one bit anywhere though which is corrupted. Multi-bit error. In a multi-bit error, frame is received with more than one bit in corrupted state. Burst error. In burst error, frame contains more than one consecutive bits corrupted. These are the types of errors that occur during the data link layer transmission. Error detection. Errors in received frames are detected by means of parity check and cyclic redundancy check, which is known as CRC. In both cases, few extra bits are sent along with the actual data to confirm that bits received at the other end are the same as they were sent. If the counter check at receiver ends fails, the bits are considered corrupted. This is done by the means of two methods. They are parity check and the cyclic redundant check, which are discussed below. Parity check. One extra bit is sent along with the original bits to make number of ones either even in case of even parity or odd in case of odd parity. The sender, while creating a frame, counts the number of ones in it. For example, if the even parity is used and number of ones is even, then one bit with a value of 0 is added. This way, number of ones remains even. If the number of ones is odd, to make it even, a bit with a value of 1 is added. Even parity. The receiver simply counts the number of ones in a frame. If the count of ones is even and the even parity is used, the frame is considered to be not corrupted and is accepted. If the count of ones is odd and the odd parity is used, the frame is still not corrupted. If a single bit flips in transmit, the receiver can detect it by counting the number of ones. But when more than one bits are erroneous, then it is very hard for the receiver to detect the error. The second type of error detection check is cyclic redundancy check. CRC is a different approach to detect if the received frame contains valid data or not. This technique involves binary division of the data bits being sent. The divisor is generated using polynomials. The sender performs a division operation on the bits being sent and calculates the remainder. Before sending the actual bits, the sender adds the remainder at the end of the actual bits. Actual data bits plus remainder is called a code word. The sender transmits the data bits as code words. CRC at the other end, the receiver performs division operation on the code words using the same CRC divisor or divisor if the remainder contains all zeros and the data bits are accepted. Otherwise, it is considered as there some data corruption occurred in the transmit. And the detection of error is done by using these two methods. Error correction. In digital world, error correction can be done in two ways: backward error correction and the forward error correction. Backward error correction. When the data or when the receiver detects an error in the data received, it requests back the sender to retransmit the data unit. In forward error correction, when the receiver detects some error in the data received, it executes error correction code which helps it to auto-recover and to correct some kinds of errors. The first one, backward error correction, is simple and can only be efficiently used where transmitting is not expensive. For example, fiber optics. But in case of wireless transmission, retransmitting may cost too much. In the later case, forward error correction is used. To correct the error in data frame, the receiver must know exactly which bit in the frame is corrected. To locate the bit in error, redundant bits are used as parity bits for error detection. For example, we take ASCII words, that is 7 bits data, then there could be 8 kinds of information we need. The first 7 bits to tell us which bit is error and the one more bit to tell that there is no error. For M data bits, R redundant bits are used. R bits can provide 2R combinations of information. In M plus R bit code word, there is a possibility that the R bits themselves may get corrupted. So the number of R bits used must inform about M plus R bit locations plus no error information, that is M plus R plus 1. This is how error correction is done in the data link layer. Thank you.